everyone. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm not crafting, I'm not showing you how to do anything, but I'm showing you this crazy awesome bundle. So if you're not familiar with Creative Fabrica, it is a website that sells commercial fonts, commercial images, you have graphics, you have embroidery files, print-on-demand files, tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of things. But there's this new bundle, and it is crazy. So it is the Spectacular Collection Big Bundle. It is big. It's huge. It's amazing. There are over 500 fonts and over 1,300 more graphics, mandalas, monograms, quotes. There is so much in this bundle, and it is only $19. I don't know if you can see this right here, but if you bought all of these fonts and all of these elements on their own, it would be $10,000, and it's on sale for just $19. So you can see here, it's on sale for just over another month, which is great. It gives everyone a ton of time to get it. But after that, this price is going to go back up. I mean, I've never seen a bundle listed for $10,000 before, but the bundle might not be a bundle, and if you want all these things, you're going to pay for them. So now is definitely the time to get it. So if you're not familiar with how Creative Fabrica works, you can buy just this bundle for $19 and move on. Take this bundle, download your fonts, download your images, or you can sign up for what is called their All Access. Now, this is a monthly subscription. I have this because I find that it's super great to be able to just come to this website, pick a font, and download it because it's all included in All Access. So it is $29 a month, and you get everything. So I got this bundle, which is $19 already included. So that's just under what I pay for a month, and I already got this bundle. And I know I've already spent more than $29 this month, and it's only the 11th of May. So that is definitely a great feature. Like I said, you don't have to do it. You can pay for each item and font individually if you want. But this bundle, I know sometimes we see bundles and we're like, nah, I don't really know if I like anything in there. I don't really know if I would use it. This one has the coolest fonts. I like so many of them. And it's going to take a while to scroll through here, but bear with me because there's a lot. But I want you to see all of them if you haven't scrolled through yet. So what I'm going to do is I'll link the description and the link for this bundle in the description. And that way you can just click on it, go, bing, bang, boom, and you can buy it. But look at all these fonts. This Columbus font is super comic-y. It looks super cute. It would be really cute for little kids. But there's a ton of really pretty, scripty, fancy fonts. But the nice part is I've found a lot of manly fonts. A lot of fonts that maybe you don't get a lot of because there's a lot of script bundles and fancy bundles and craft bundles. You know, there's not a lot of fonts for guys out there sometimes, and this bundle has a bunch of them. I think they're really nice. Like backslide, this one right here would be great for a guy. Something maybe like on a tumbler or even if you're making a t-shirt. But there's a ton. There's so many. I don't know how long it's going to take me to download all these fonts, but I can tell you I'm so excited to do it because I almost feel like I wouldn't have to go look for any more fonts because I'm already going to have 500 of them. So the cool part is, as I scroll through here and show you some of these fonts, feel free to pause, check it out a little further, or even better, click on the link and come through here and check them out yourself. But with this bundle, you get lifetime, I repeat, you get lifetime commercial use. That means for all of these fonts and all of the graphics that are in here, you can use them for your business. You can use them in the files that you sell. You can use them in the designs that you make and press on shirts or put on tumblers or whatever it is you're doing with your fonts and your graphics for life. Sometimes when you download a font and you cancel your monthly subscription, you lose that commercial license. Like a lot of times in the details, you might see that you only have it for the duration of how long you pay for the subscription, but not with this bundle. This bundle, you're getting it for life. So if you download it now, if you're still crafting when you're 90, you can still be using these fonts when you're 90 and selling it with no problem at all. So, I mean, look, guys, I'm still scrolling through these fonts. This is insane. There's so many. 500 fonts in one bundle. I don't think I've ever seen a bundle with that many fonts in it at all, ever. And they're so cool. They're so pretty, so different. There's a good variety of fonts, too. Look at this one, this lovely font. Oh my gosh, that's so cute for Valentine's Day. I love it. This one, Wallapatra. That's super cool. It looks like handwriting, like a signature handwriting. I should probably keep scrolling as I'm talking about these ones that I like, or else we're never going to get to the bottom. But, I mean, you can just tell, like, there's a great variety to choose from here. I mean, you are not going to have any shortage of font selection scrolling through here like this. All right, so we've gotten through 500 fonts, right? And a ton of these fonts are going to come with extra glyphs and extra characters to use too. So you can almost look at it like you're getting more than just 500 fonts. So now we're at the graphics, and a bunch of these are bundles. So included in these 1,300 images, yeah, some of them might have 20 images in one. But look at all the mandalas, like hummingbirds. For all my weeding friends out there, we all love to sit and weed a good vinyl piece, right? There's tons of them here. And there's so many different bundles. School bundles, mom bundles, Nana, anniversary, coffee. There's so much in here. There's lots of split monograms to create, you know, your home decor pieces or your wedding gifts or anything like that. Lots of single fonts like this one, Be Mine. That one's super cute. This would look really cute with the new Mr. Crafty Pants printed vinyl from 143. All of his super cute springy bee prints. That would look awesome. So scrolling through here, look at this one, guys. It is a parrot mandala. That is so funny. Golfing. Oh my gosh, there's just so much. I don't know that I'm going to even have enough space for all of this on my computer. I have to get a new hard drive or something just to put all of this on there, and it's so exciting. There's just so much to choose from. I don't even know where I would start. You know how long it would take to weed all of the mandalas that are just in this bundle? You could do one a day for probably a year, if not more. It's so cool. This is a dolphin. That one's pretty neat. These would all look super cool in like a foil finish. Mandalas and foil always look pretty sweet. I like them. But there is literally, I mean, you guys, there's so much in this bundle. And if I were scrolling any slower, we would literally be here for the next hour. Because I know when I first saw this bundle, I scrolled through and I looked at every single thing. And I don't even know how long it took me to scroll through it because there's so much. But it's great. It's a great value. And honestly, if you're like me and you're just one of those file hoarders, here you go. I mean, I know I take part in, you know, certain monthly deals and, you know, when you get these big bundles and they're whatever. And now with Creative Fabrica, you know, because I pay for my subscription, so I have all of these bundles. I can just go click download and it's ready to go. Oh my gosh, I have so many files in my download folder. It is not even funny. This one here, I love this. Queen of the Grill. You don't see that often. It's usually King of the Grill, but let me tell you, us ladies know what we're doing on a grill sometimes. I know I do. I might have to just put that on an apron. I don't know. I don't know how you feel about wearing an apron outside. Everyone will probably stare at me. But, I mean, it's insane how much is in here. There's holidays. There's so much, you guys. But, like I said, I just wanted to hop on here and just show you how crazy awesome this bundle is. And hopefully encourage you guys to go grab it at $19 because it is a steal. I can't even begin to describe how much of a steal this bundle is. And it is It's fantastic. So I'm going to just scroll through here. We have reached the bottom, which is crazy. Look how long it took me just to scroll through them, and I was going quickly. Like, there's no way we looked at all those in detail. I'm going to hit this rocket ship and go right back to the top and show you. You have the option to download just all the fonts, just all the mandalas, just all the big bundles of quotes, or just the monograms, which I think is awesome. So even if you didn't want any of the other stuff, the fonts alone are enough to sell this bundle for me. I think it's great. So with that being said, make sure you click on the link in the description and go check this bundle out for yourself. And if you get it, let me know what your favorite font is. Maybe top 3, because there's so many. I'd love to see what you're crafting with this. And as always, thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching, guys.